But ó wà relevant pé tá a bá padà sí bá ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀ oko ẹrú la máa ṣe títí dáyédáyé. Kódà wọ́n bá gbé the genius Yorùbá lọ sínú presidency yẹn, Sultan of Sokoto nígbà kó lo genius ẹ̀ rí pé bàbá wa short man devil tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn, evil man tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn tí kò lè resign until tó bá resign lèmi máa respect ẹ̀, nítorí pé bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ tó ń dé fìlẹ̀ tó fi ń deceive gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá táwọn kan náà ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ nítorí pé ó jẹ́ Kristẹni àbó jẹ́ bàbá wa tó fẹ́ ọmọ bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀, gbogbo yẹn ò lè work nísìnyí o. That's Yemi Osinbajo. Ìyẹn ò lè work. A senior advocate of Nigeria, a brilliant man of himself, working there, knowing that the country is going in the drain, he has every right to resign. Òun ló máa kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ ẹni tó máa resign nínú position ni. Tó bá gbé síbẹ̀ tó bá ní kò ṣiṣẹ́ kò gbọ́dọ̀ kúrò. He's a short man devil and he's not going to deceive us anymore. Bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí Kristẹni, it cannot work because more lives have been killed. Ó jẹ́ kó gbé helicopter kó wá fi kí wọn ní Ìgangan. Does he care? No, he doesn't care. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ilẹ̀ Haúsá ló ti kú nísìnyí, á tètè máa lọ síbẹ̀. He's not the one in charge anymore because the charge is in the hands of Sultan of Sokoto and Great Britain. Great Britain wants the unity of Nigeria. Let me quickly, as I still have about less than 3 minutes, this is what they are. Okay, man, something pay man, let's see Twitter handle. Once again, a graphic image. I know somebody said we shouldn't show it, but I showed it earlier. This is a baby that got burnt inside a fire in this contraction we call Nigeria. This is what the Great Britain that you love so much. This is what the Twitter handle of James Durbridge, Member of Parliament, appalled and saddened by the recent attack in Kebbi and Oyo State, Nigeria, leaving death toll of over 100. The UK calls for calm and peace. Àwọn sọ pé UK ó ń pè fún ká ṣe sùúrù àti peace. Wọ́n ní ṣoríire nítorí pé tó bá fẹ́ ṣoríire ni wọ́n máa dà wá papọ̀ láti 1914 tó dẹ̀ ti expire ní 2014. A dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn pé a ní gbà nítorí pé ewu ti wọlé wá bá wa. Òun wọ́n sọ fún wa pé ká calm, ká remain peace. Ìbò láti fẹ́ ní peace pẹ̀lú àwọn tó fẹ́ pa wá, tó ń bá wa sùn, tó ń bá wa pa wá lójoojúmọ́, tó wọnú Ìgangan, tó wọnú gbogbo state kankan, tó ń ṣe jàǹbá fún wa. So why are we telling them that we should continue as people that love us? Great Britain might have their own good resources that they are helping those of us that are living there, but does not mean they are helping the Yorubas and the Middle Belt and the Igbo and the Arewa that needs to be divided. They shouldn't be telling us for peace when the peace has already expired in 2014. So tó bá ń pè for peace, like some of these members of parliament, that's the message. You can go on this Twitter. It's called @James Durbridge. I repeat again, appalled and saddened. Oh no, what saddened? Owó ọmọ jàǹbá táwọn ti ṣe fáwa. Oh no, what saddened? Àìmọye àwọn Nigerians tó wà nílùú òyìnbó nísìn tó fẹ́ gba ìwé tó yẹ kó yẹ pé automatic lẹ́kọ́ máa fún wa nítorí pé àwọn lọ́dá wà lásìwà lọ́rùn. Do they care? They care less. Àwa máa wá fi yé wọn pé generation yóò ní gbà. Ọ̀nà méjì ni ìzídà kan ní ká má gbé lọ́dọ̀ wọn mọ́, àwọn náà rẹ̀ ní gbé lọ́dọ̀ wa mọ́. Ó yìí máa dé stage yẹn, a ṣe ń fà díẹ̀díẹ̀ ni, a fẹ́ fà tán délẹ̀ ni. Èmi ti sacrifice fún kan tí mo gbé dání. Tó bá ní ọ̀hún ò ṣe gbé, èmi á sọ fún wọn pé ibi báyìí gan ò ní ṣe gbé fáwọn. A máa fa kinní débi tí yẹ pé ó máa gbóná gan, but sùúrù la máa ṣe díẹ̀ dẹ̀ ló kù. Torí èmi ò ní gbà fún wọn. Great Britain is our threat to why Yoruba is suffering. You might not like it because you live there. I don't care. I live there as well, and I'll tell it to their face. They are the cause and the problem that we all are facing today. And until they come down and divide Nigeria, we will divide it on ourselves, whether we have to fight it out or whether some of you think by writing petition to the parliament in UK we dissolve Nigeria. That, for me, is not going to work. What is going to work is we will teach everyone that wants to stand on our way what it is that tells them that adúró tán gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ọmọ tó dá sílẹ̀ Oòduà fún rẹ̀. We will fight if it means let me leave that. Ẹ jẹ́ máa sọ̀n tí mo fẹ́ sọ jáde yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé yẹn sínú. 3:30 I play the anthem and I go back to bed. Ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé yẹn sínú. Tẹ́yìn kan bá fẹ́ gbé lọ́dọ̀ wọn, ẹ máa gbé níbẹ̀. Àwa kan ti sacrifice. If you don't want to live there anymore, it's fine. Ẹ bá ń bẹ̀rù wọn, kò ń ṣe bí ti Yomi Koiki, mo bẹ̀rù wọn tì. Lisa o. Ẹ káàárọ̀ bí. No, that's fine. Ẹ má worry ara yín nípa níbi tí ní nọ́mbà yín wọlé sí. Ẹ má worry nípa ẹ message kẹ́ bá wa deliver.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bàbá. Mo ti try láti rí ìṣe lórí nọ́mbà Nàìjíríà tó lọ.
Ẹ má bínú.
Mo ti gbogbo pásítọ̀ ni mí.
Okay.
Ojoojúmọ́ mo ń gbàdúrà fún yín.
Adúpẹ́ fọlọ́run.
Mo lè gbàdúrà tọkàntọkàn àfẹ́yìn àti fún bàbá.
Igboho ṣá.
Tí ohun tó máa ṣe yín ọwọ́ ayé ò ní ká yín.
Àmín.
Tí Ọlọ́run ṣe
I love that. Àmín.
Tẹ̀lá yìí.
Àmín.
Kò sí agbára tó lè fún yín nítorí pé ẹni tara èyí lọ́kàn.
Àmín.
Èmi dẹ́ ń wo èmi lè dá ìdíyẹ pa. Ẹgbẹ́ kí àwọn máa pa ọmọ làkejì àti ìgbà tó ti wà náà bí àwọn ti ń fa bírèkì tó wá sí US ìgbà tó fábìlì ara mi. Ìgbádùn ni olú máa ń bí mi lójoojúmọ́ ní sẹ́rí pírọ́blẹ̀mù kan ní Nàìjíríà ní pé bí 25% or 30% bá jáde kó Nàìjíríà ọ̀tẹ̀ lọ sí kílì kò síbi tí mi ti lọ ọjọ́ ló bá di wọ̀ kí lọ London kò sí everywhere. Kí gbogbo wọn bá jáde tó bá lọ ta tó bá máa padà dé báyìí wọ́n máa bá gbogbo everybody ni wọ́n máa bá gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́ nìyẹn. I can see your feeling because ẹ ti jáde ẹ dẹ̀ mọ́ bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ náà ìgbà tó ọlọ́pàá láàrin ìṣẹ́jú márùn-ún ọmọdé bí wọ́n ṣe ń pọ̀
nọ́mbà ni bó ṣe láti rí nìyẹn. À ń bẹ̀ wọ́n kọ́ bá wa gbéyàn lọ sọ́sítù lálẹ́ àná ni.
Hello sir.
Mo ń gbọ́ yín sà, mo wà pẹ̀lú yín.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí ìmọ̀ràn tí mo fẹ́ gbà níwọ̀nba. Number one, èmi mò ń tọ́ láti ẹ̀kan pé kẹ́ fún mi nọ́mbà mi ò gẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ dáadáa bọ̀ tọ́wọ́n ẹ̀kan sẹ́ǹdì sílẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe aráyè láti sáré lò. Mi ò mọ láti lo fóònù tí mo fi ń gba tí mo ń lo nọ́mbà mi kí n bá ti pè é kò ní yọ. Bọ̀dé eléyìí náà ẹ̀mí mo ní ìbọ̀dẹ̀ kankan máa ń tán eléyìí. But bóyá tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀ tán mi ò kọ́ bí máa ṣe fún ibẹ̀ máa get me mo I need to be talking to you because I need to be praying for you. You are doing wonderful things.
Ẹ ṣé gan, we need a lot of prayer. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, why important?
Whether the enemy like or not, Nigeria is going to be set free.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run. That's it.
And mo sọ record kan jáde ní last week. Bí Ọlọ́run ṣe sọ fún mi as evangelist pé ọ̀wọ́n èèyàn tó wọ́n nígbà wa tó wà ní Nàìjíríà this will come out. This is the time for all the pastors, the people that call themselves a GO, whatever they.
Mo fẹ́ gbé wá sókè kẹ́ lè gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ náà.
Enough is enough for killing. They are killing people every day, nobody come out. And they are bandits and everybody stops. Useless. Shit of country, man. So,
tẹ́bá nọ́mbà yìí náà lẹ máa fi rí mi bá sọ̀rọ̀. Nọ́mbà yìí náà ni. So, bí a tó bá dọ̀la tílẹ̀ bá mọ́ tẹ́yìn náà bá jí ní ọ̀dọ̀ yín lọ́hùn. Ẹ pè mí sórí nọ́mbà yìí, ẹ rí mi get lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ lè máa fún mi ládùúrà yẹn. I need ẹ save Koiki Media. Kólọ́ra TUC. Ẹ kọ́ gbá sídìí sí rẹ̀ kọ́ máa lọ dá sídìí sí ra wọn lára o.
Anybody open your door at the midnight.
All right, Babi. That was a very powerful one to, somebody. That was a very powerful one to even, brought out the smile out of me as well. Bàbá mo tó ń bí mi inú ní gbogbo gbà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú burúkú yìí. Ní máa sọ pé wọ́n rànjú. Ìyẹn kan sọ pé mo rude. Mo rude. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ má pè mọ́ anyway máa pa fóònù yẹn nísìn mo kàn fẹ́ support us, very very important. We will continue to review so many things. We will continue to come back and speak to you. Ẹ tó ń pè láti Canada yẹn mo ní lè gbé call yẹn ẹ má bínú ẹ má fi ṣe bínú torí pé ó rẹ̀ mí ẹ rí pé mo ti ń yọ̀n lórí broadcast and that means we should be in bed now, especially àwọn tá wà ní Southwest àtàwọn tó wà ní London, and we keep everybody awake, especially people want to hear kí ni Koiki fẹ́ sọ, not because of anything, because I'm also the spokesman for Chief Sunday Igboho. Yàtọ̀ sẹ́wọ̀n kan tèmi máa ń sọ, gbogbo tèmi bá ń sọ yẹn, èmi tèmi ni mò ń sọ yẹn, but ìtí chief bá ní kí n sọ, I will also come out and say it as well. So that means, there's always this message that people are waiting to hear from me, not for any other reason, and also for the love that you have, not for me, but for the Yoruba nation that we are fighting for as well. I mean, I'm just one out of millions of people. We have Yoruba, about 80 million of us. Some believe that we should hold on to one Nigeria, while like our pastor that called us earlier said, no, we can't hold on to one Nigeria, because one Nigeria is no longer valid and working for us. So why should we hold on to one Nigeria? Spiritually, it's a battle that has been won. Gbogbo tó kù nísìn is just the physical side of things. I've had a lot of people, and this is about just 7 minutes before I end the broadcast. Some people say to me, we need the blueprint to where you're taking us to. It's fine to ask those questions, because it is something that we want to debate on and we want to review. I am not involved in all that. My job is just the media. Can me come out, láti máa sọ fún gbogbo èèyàn pé Nigeria máa pín, and we tell you all the reason why it needs to break and disintegrate. Àwọn kan ní ká máa sọ pé we are breaking away. We should use the term disintegrate. It doesn't make any matter. It doesn't make any sense. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ìkan náà ni Yorùbá fi dá dúró. Àwọn kan ní ká máa lo the term self-determination. We are not secessionists. We want to go back to where we are. I always try to say to our youth, the youth, to please go back and read more about the Yorubas. Òyìnbó méjì ló gba àṣẹ látọ̀dọ̀ Great Britain ló sọ wá di Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n pè ní Lugard, wọ́n pè kan ní Flora Shaw. Òyìnbó méjì dẹ̀ wá, wọ́n dẹ̀ dà wá papọ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣe test pilot or whatever tó fẹ́ ṣe, nítorí pé ilẹ̀ Haúsá wọ́n lose owó lórí ẹ̀, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá make owó, ilẹ̀ Igbo make owó. Wọ́n dà wá mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta papọ̀, wọ́n pè ní amalgamation ní 1914. Bòkótó tó 1914 yẹn fàlàyé gbogbo àwọn tí kò yé dáadáa. Yorùbá ti ń bẹ kó tó di pé òyìnbó dé. As at 1800, ṣe rí pé àwọn numbers tí mò ń kọ yìí is a long time ago, thousands of years ago.